KATHihik, I'm done with my US medical journey and I'm happy to say that I'm done with the immunization.
8 days before my SLEC medical journey.
Day 3 of my quarantine. Hello mga katihik, I'm back. Kae Nerves, your thrifty nurse. For today's video, I'm gonna share it with you my US medical journey in St. Luke's. Yes, the news is true. I got COVID-19 8 days prior to my medical appointment. Please stay tuned and keep watching this video because at the end of this video, I'm gonna share it with you my home rituals, what are the breathing exercises I did, what are the medications I took before my medical exam. During my COVID-19, I had a fever, very productive cough, and colds. That's why iniisip ko na talaga ng sputum academy ko. But with God's grace and prayers, hindi pa ako na-enroll sa sputum academy.
Day 1 of my US medical journey.
We're on our way to SLEC. This is step number 1. The guard will check your appointment date and time and if your requirements is complete. Once you enter the gate, another staff will arrange your documents and will give you a color-coded priority number. On the ground floor, I went to the photo room and have my photo taken. And please make sure to remove all your jewelries. Yes, dito po talaga mabagal sa reception area. Mag-wait ka lang na tawagin yung number mo. Here, they will ask you about the information of your employer, your personal information, and if you have already a US Embassy interview date. If wala pa or matagal pa yung date mo, then they will let you sign a waiver. So now, I'm going to the 5th floor for the payment. Yes, mga katihik, dito natin ibabayad yung ating 18,540. And for those who are planning to pay through credit card, they will only accept MasterCard and Visa card. And this credit card should be under your name. After that, proceed ka na sa vital signs area, mga katihik. Ilagay mo yung papers mo dun sa USA box. The staff there took my weight, height, BP, and Snellen's eye test. After that, I had my physical examinations with the doctor. And you have to answer this checklist. This is it, mga katihik. Andito na tayo sa most exciting part, the x-ray. Here, you have to remove your upper clothes, including your undergarment. And please don't forget, deep inhale po tayo dito, mga katihik. After that, I went to the 4th floor for my laboratory extraction. Since I'm done with everything, I went back to the 3rd floor and I gave my papers to the USA checkout counter. Pina-repeat x-ray po ako, mga katihik. Akala ko talaga subject na ko for Sputum Academy.
But this happened.
Hello mga katihik, just got here in our hotel and I was nervous a while ago because I had a repeat x-ray. Look what I've got. I have a white slip for tomorrow's immunization. Yay! Mga katihik, day 2 of my US medical journey. So, ready na po yung mga braso natin for today's immunization. Let's go! On day 2, pinupunta po ako sa guards sa 2nd floor and nag-wait lang ako doon na tawagin yung name ko. Hi mga katihik! I'm done with my US medical journey and I'm happy to say that I'm done with the immunization. So this is for the Tdap and for the measles. Hindi na ko binigyan ng varicella kasi I have a scar on my left foot.
What did I do before my medical exam?
KATHihik, today is day 3 of my quarantine since I had COVID-19. And I want to show you my medications. So I have 2 antibiotics. It's azithromycin and cefixime. So I'm sorry for my voice. I still have a hoarse voice. And I have my vitamin C Immune Pro and this one. I also have betamethasone. Another one is Zicast. I took it at bedtime. And Flumosil. It's a mucolytic to soften my phlegm. I also have strepsils. Another one is the Saritide. It's an inhaler. Next medication is Mosa spray. It's a nasal spray suspension. Another one is throat spray, betadine throat spray. So that would be all, and I hope I'll be well soon. During my x-ray, I really had a deep breathing. Like, iniisip ko talaga na sumisid ako sa Pacific Ocean. Like, parang wala ka nang mainhale, ganun yung ginawa ko. Yes, uminom din ako ng Bear Brand sterilized milk. And I follow this Wim Hof breathing exercise. Questions. Pwede po ba mag-t-shirt lang during your photo ID? Yes. I'm just wearing a t-shirt during my photo ID, but still St. Luke's accepted it. For the dress code, you can wear anything. I've seen patients there wearing shorts and slippers. As long as you're not wearing swimsuit or pajamas, so okay lang yung mga Thank you so much mga KATHihik. Hope you enjoyed my video. I hope all my videos are helpful to you. And yes, malapit na talaga tayo sa ating American dream mga KATHihik. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button. See you soon in my next video mga KATHihik. Bye! Bye!